This is another contender for the Ridler, winner of the Grade 8, member of the Grade 8, exclusive Grade 8 club, the Thunderbird this time. It's been a while. I don't recall seeing the Thunderbird in some time. And look at that interior, just super, super clean. Yeah, that caught my eye big time. Look at the undercarriage on this. Again, look at the quality, look at the kind of cleanliness that it takes to be a Grade 8 selection. This one here is 1309. Name is Dwayne Peace from Tyler, Texas. 55 Ford T-Bird Pro Touring class. And there's the Grade 8. It's like glass trophy. Presented by Pirelli. Well, look at this. I take it these are little turbos. No? What are they then? Yeah, they must be. No, it's carburetors. It looks like they would be turbos. Okay. I'll have to find out more about that. It's a little different than what I'm used to. But look at the front end on this. This is really nice. Really nice, clean design. Different than the original. It holds true to the basic style of the 55 T-Bird, Ford T-Bird, but a very modern looking front end grille. Okay, this is definitely a contender for the Ridler. Okay, taking a break. Frank Sherosky reporting from Autorama. This is the Ridler Award winner. The signed Ridler Award winner, the actual Ridler Award and the Builder Award and the Grade 8 Award. All won. Number 1309, Dwayne Peace, Tyler, Texas, 1955 Ford T-Bird Pro Touring. Congratulations, because this is a beautiful vehicle. I concur with this decision, by the way. It is a beautiful vehicle. Frank Sherosky from Detroit Autorama 2012, the Ridler Award. Okay, it's official. Dwayne Peace, owner of the 1955 T-Bird, has won the Ridler Award for 2012 at Detroit Autorama. I have plenty of videos on this, so I wasn't in any hurry to try to beat the crowds. He's giving an interview here. Fun. There are the Ridler Awards. Actually, there are two of them. That's what people realize. There are, in fact, two. One is for the car, and the other one is for the builder. So there's the Ridler Builder Award as well. In my opinion, well deserved. It's a beautiful vehicle. The undercarriage is just flawless. Outside body is obviously flawless. And just a beautiful design, especially in the interior area. Simple, clean. There is indeed the Ridler Award winner.
The interior looks kind of tricked out too. Describe the design they had and what it did to that. Well, the top of the side
doing an interview right now with Backyard Wrenchheads TV. So I don't want to speak too loud here. This is a beautiful vehicle. Taking a break.
One more time. Mozzarella.
Mozzarella, yeah.
Congratulations.
Oh yeah, I got about 100. I keep clicking. It ain't my camera.
They're free.
They're free. They're free.
Thank you.